Hey Internet, Harris here, and this desk setup behind me has been here for only about a year. I finished this and kind of built it last summer, but today will be probably the last day I ever use this exact setup for about 1.5 reasons. The first reason is that in about 25 days I will be starting freshman year. So I will not be here anymore. I'll be 13 hours away at school, so I won't be using this desk setup. And the second reason why is that the computer over there is the mid-2013 Retina MacBook Pro. That is going back to my dad. We made a swap a couple years ago because I now have the spec'd out 2018 MacBook Pro. And now that I have a computer that can handle 4K and heck even 5K, I have no reason to really use 1080p monitors anymore. So I'll be likely changing this up sometime. But since I'm going to school, it doesn't really make sense to do it at my house. But until I do a college dorm setup video, this will be the last time I ever use this exact setup, and one of the last times I used this setup in general for quite a few months. And side note, if you want to follow me in college and my life and my running and just lifestyle in general, I do have a new channel and I would love if you checked it out. It's called On The Run. I'll leave a link in the description. I already have one video up and more are coming. But yeah, let's get started with this desk setup. So the first new thing on my desk would be the Yeti Caster Kit. This is an awesome voiceover podcasting, just microphone kit in general. It comes with an arm that attaches to your desk. You can easily pivot it, adjust it, kind of have it exactly as you need it. It operates over USB and is the standard Yeti microphone that's extremely popular, well known. You're listening to it right now. It's awesome if I want to have it in frame and get some shots of me talking. It looks nice, it looks like a podcaster microphone, or if I just want clean audio, I really do dig this, and then I can tuck it away, and that's nice. My little pen container is the same, although that will be probably changing soon as I got a new one that I'm checking out that is pretty sweet. But I do love my pens. The finer the tip, the better. The Pilot Juice, the Signo Uniball, and the Pilot G2. I love these things. To the side of that is my new wireless charging crib, both for the Apple Watch and a wireless charging bay underneath for the Galaxy S9 currently, or my iPhone. I did a video on this just the other day. I seriously love this thing. I would definitely recommend it. And then finally, to the right of that, I now have an Apple Lightning dock, which I really like. I didn't get the silver one, which would have looked better for this desk setup, but nonetheless, it works really well and is pretty clean. And pretty much the only other new thing would be the HomePod. I checked out a HomePod a while ago, but then I returned it and then bought another one because of the sound quality. It sounds awesome. Having AirPlay is nice. Granted, Siri is just truthfully not that great even on this. Now, outside of that, the things that remain the same would be the two 22-inch 1080p HP monitors. They're pretty much bezel free. They're on a dual arm monitor stand, which was like $30. It's an awesome deal. And those are connected via mini display to HDMI to my computer. I have the aluminum mouse pad, and then I have my iPad Pro 9.7. On the rest of my desk, I do have my AirPods, some notepads, some more pencils and pens, and then my chair is from IKEA. It's like $50. I love it. And then I do have the drawer unit underneath, which stores a lot of stuff, which is pretty standard. And then of course it is the standing desk, so I can be sitting and working, or I can raise that and be standing and working. I like that. It's really convenient. Maybe not worth it for everybody, but if you're interested in a standing desk, this one isn't insanely expensive, and I definitely recommend at least checking it out. But that is my desk setup, probably the last time I'll ever use this exact setup, which is kind of sad, and I've only had this for a year. But when I come back from college, maybe we'll try to change it up with maybe just a single display, curved 4K, not sure. If you have any favorite monitors that are nice and would be good with my new MacBook Pro, leave those in the comments below. Thank you for watching. This is my desk setup. Again, check out my new On The Run channel if you want to stay up to date with my life, and check out the lifestyle videos that I will be posting there. Thank you for watching. Hopefully see you soon.